watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. As the leaves change and the air turns crisp, there's no better way to welcome the season than by creating your own wreaths from natural materials. In this video, I'll show you several simple yet beautiful ideas that will help you add a warm touch to your home this autumn. First, let's start with a classic grapevine wreath. This base provides a rustic foundation for your design. You can easily decorate it with items like dried leaves, mini pumpkins, and even some twigs. Simply attach these elements using hot glue or floral wire. The natural tones of the grapevine combined with vibrant fall colors will create an inviting piece for your front door. Next, consider a wreath made from pine cones. Gather various sizes of pine cones and arrange them in a circular shape. You can spray paint them in different autumn colors or leave them natural for a more organic look. To add extra texture, include some fawberries or small acorns. This type of wreath is not only simple to make, but also adds a lovely woodland touch to your decor. Another great idea is to use a straw base as the foundation for your wreath. Cover the straw with moss or dried leaves, then embellish it with seasonal flowers like chrysanthemums or sunflowers. This combination of textures creates a vibrant and lively wreath that captures the essence of fall. You can hang it on your door or display it on a wall for everyone to enjoy. Let's explore a wreath using dried herbs. This option is perfect for those who love cooking with fresh ingredients. Gather bundles of herbs like rosemary, sage, or lavender, and tie them together. You can create a circular shape by attaching them to a wireframe. This wreath not only looks beautiful, but also fills your home with a lovely fragrance, making it a practical and charming addition to your autumn decor. There are still a few more decoration ideas that might inspire you, so be sure to stay tuned until the end. Thank you for joining me today. I hope these DIY fall wreath ideas inspire you to create something special for your home. Remember, using natural materials not only enhances the beauty of your wreath, but also connects you to the season. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more DIY and home decor ideas. Happy crafting, and see you next time.